and you can see it comes into different colors in it, a different shape. And you can come a little bit closer, and everybody can see the pearls. So look at this, and you can see some of this is round, some are little oval, some are little flat, and they come into different sizes inside. I'm sorry, I think there are almost like 20 pearls. Yeah, if everybody pick up different number, one of you will be the winner. But you know, only a few people, yeah. Yes, yeah. Can you see the pearls? They are different colors. So you know, for natural freshwater pearls, there are 5 natural colors of pearls. Okay, there are 5 natural colors. It comes into white, pink, lavender, black pearl, and even the golden pearl, even the golden colors. Before you come to China, how many colors you have seen before? White one, black one, golden one. Okay, yeah. So you know, for our freshwater pearls, we can get more colors or even more shade, more different sizes in the same oyster. But ladies and gentlemen, well, you are here, you are in China. If you are looking for something special from China, something only come from China, there is one special color from here. You know what's that? Lavender. Lavender. Have you seen the lavender before? Okay, so here I'm going to show you the lavender.
One of the biggest pearl manufacturing sa China, which is yung galing yung pearl sa Thailand, sa Ocean City. Ito yung pinakamalaking pearl ng China, kaya nandito kami ngayon bumili. So sobrang laki nito for the whole, maraming bumibili dito, maraming bumibili dito ng mga tourist. Kaya so, mahal nga lang, medyo may pagkamahal, pero goods na rin yung kaya sa mga gusto bumili dyan talaga dito, marami talaga pumupunta rito para bumili ng pearl. Yung mga tunay ng mga pearl dito sa Ocean City sa China. From Vido, this is the biggest pearl manufacturing sa China. Ito yung Vido. Yan. So, malaking pearl manufacturing sa China kasi nang bawal natin yung videohan yung mga pearl. Dito kasi baka gayahin. Copyright. Itong jewelry na to, itong pearl na to na katabi ko ngayon, ang halaga niyan, kalahating milyon lang naman. Diba? So, ganun kamahal.